I want to talk about my experience sending my Focus SmallHD and how long it took and what process I went through. So I found out my SmallHD wasn't working when I utilized it with my Fuji X-T3. It was just, kind of going crazy. It wouldn't do what I was gesturing it to do. And I did a video on that. And so that was on a Friday. And so I emailed SmallHD. They didn't get back to me until until Monday, following Monday. Told me that it seems like I was under warranty because they had my email, and that all I needed to do was ship it out with some RA number. Okay, so they didn't pay for my shipping. I had to ship it out. Best thing to do is to wrap it up nicely, put it in a what we call USPS, United States Post Office priority mail, and off it goes. I had signature confirmation on it, and it got there. I sent it on Monday. I believe it got there on Wednesday. And then I got an email like Thursday or Friday, I can't remember, probably Thursday, stating that they got the device. It was going to take 5 business days. And I got an email the following Wednesday telling me that it was fixed. And actually, when they sent me the second email telling me, hey, I got it, we got the machine, it said, hey, we're going to be able to fix it, which is wonderful. I thought I might have to pay. And sure enough, by Wednesday it was fixed, and there was a second day return, which was really nice. Way nicer, way better than Fuji. Fuji took a whole week. When I got my XH1 repaired, it took a week to get here. Not a lot of priority there, but they did do a good job. Not complaining. But anyway, going back to SmallHD, second day air, I got the box, and it works perfectly. And I got to be a little more careful, be more ginger with it, because I have no idea what went wrong with it. But my experience was great. Let's see, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. It took 11 days to get it fixed, sent it out, fixed, and returned. Not bad. Thought it was going to take longer. And they didn't give me any hassle on if it was mine and when did I buy it. Seems like everything was perfectly registered. I'm probably sure that I bought it with them, so with the email that they had on record, they knew exactly, if I purchased it or not from them. Serial number must have matched. The only thing that they were really adamant about was making sure that the RA number or some number that they have on the email, to print the email and making sure it was in the box, and also write down the number on the box. Very important. So as long as you follow procedure, you'll probably be okay. Alright, so thumbs up for SmallHD. Alright, thanks SmallHD. Bye-bye.